In this lesson, let's learn about differential coefficients. 微分係数と導関数。微分係数。Average rate of change. When x changes from a to b in the function y equals f of x, the ratio of the change in y, f of b minus f of a, to the change in x, b minus a, is f of b minus f of a over b minus a. This is called the average rate of change of the function f of x when x changes from a to b. Differential coefficient. In the average rate of change of step 1 of the function f of x when the value of a is determined and b and the constant in step 1 are as close as possible to a is called the differential coefficient or rate of change of the function f of x at x equals a and is represented by f prime of a. Formula. The derivative coefficient f prime of x of the function f of x at x equals a is the limit of the average rate of change y as b goes to a and is expressed as follows: f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Now, if we set b minus a equal to h, then b equals a plus h, and since b to a and h to 0 are equivalent, step 1 can be expressed as follows: f prime of a equals limit f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Now let's do some practice. Press the pause button and try to solve the practice problem. Once you're finished, press the resume button and mark what you got correct. Now let's check our answers. F prime of 1 equals limit h to 0. F of 1 plus h minus f of 1 divided by h. Reducing down, we can get the answer 3. That concludes this lesson.